Hello and Merry Christmas.
Welcome to the Craft Lab. We're very busy here at the moment. Lots of orders going out, lots of people awaiting their gifts. Ben's been busy making the carving tools and the knives. I've been finishing off some leather work. So we've been up early in the morning, working late at night, trying to get everybody happy for Christmas.
So yeah, I've been pretty busy like Lois says, so I've been trying to keep up with all the things that she's been putting on my board for what I've got to make. We normally make absolutely everything ourselves, but certain times of the year, especially now, Christmas time, we have to call in a bit of extra help. So fortunately I've got some friends in pretty high places, so I put the call in and they've come over at short notice to give us a hand. So from everybody here at the Craft Lab, we just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and all the best for a happy and healthy New Year. So cheers from us.
Cheers! Cheers!
Ho, ho, ho!
Unfortunately, they've arrived and they're helping us out as we speak. That we need doing, so yeah, they're busy working away. Come on guys, work a bit harder, come on.
Dropped in the sleigh.
Forgot to put oh, what?
Lois keeps telling me what I need to get made and we've been bringing it up and parcelling it up. But yeah, we've been struggling a little bit, so this time of the year we tend to call in a few extra elite crews. Maybe I should say hello at the same time you say hello. Hello everybody, Merry Christmas.
Right.
Hello everybody, Merry Christmas.
Hi, welcome to the Craft Lab.
Oh, I thought you were talking.
I thought you were talking.
I thought you were talking.
We'll have to do that 1, 2, 3.
I'll...
Who's saying what?
Shall I say hello and Merry Christmas? I want to say hello and Merry Christmas. Hello and Merry Christmas. Hello and Merry Christmas.
Welcome to the Craft.
Have I got the horns again?
Yes, you've got the horns.
So you want music?
Yes, we'll have a little bit of music.
Yeah.
No music. We're rolling. Rolling. Action.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ho, ho, ho!
Cheers. Cheers.
Ho, ho, ho!
We did take two. Otherwise we'd have had that in again, wouldn't we? Right. Okay.
So
Once more.
and then leave it. And then count to 5 in your head, not out loud. Cheers.
Cheers! Ho, ho, ho! You should count to 5.
No, after.
Oh, I love it.
Last one.
Anybody need any more? Because I'm going to be half cut by the time we get this in the bag. That's good. Hang on a minute.
Rolling. Action.
So from all of us here at the Craft Lab, we want you to have a beard issues. Here at the Craft Lab, we just want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy and healthy New Year. Cheers!
Cheers!
Hey.
Cheers!
Ho ho ho! What have I done with that?